WiSys warehouse management software for Macola companies. Hi, I'm Bob Hawk. I'm the Director of Sales at WiSys. I've been here since 2005 when the company started, and I've helped over 500 companies work through their decision to see if WiSys is right for them in the warehouse. A couple of bullet points here. WiSys is a Macola ECI partner. We provide warehouse management systems for Macola customers. WiSys will help you transform an inefficient warehouse to become efficient in about 90 days, depending on the scope and size of your project. The system is easy to add on because it was built to work with Macola right out of the box. And that means you don't have to hire a special programming team to try and make it work. It just already works. WiSys applications will help you eliminate that lag time and paper pushing necessary to keep Macola up to date. And if you want to turn on some of the deeper layers of Macola, like bin control or lots or serial numbers, that's really important. Less data to write down and collect and update Macola later. Just do it on a scan gun now. And WiSys seamlessly integrates with Progression, ES, or Macola 10. So wherever you are on your journey, WiSys will fit right in. And WiSys does not require any synchronizing, any polling, or messy importing and updating or exporting to make the system work. It just works. We're going to take a look at the warehouse management system, the WMS, which includes receiving and things like that. We're also going to take a look at WiSys pallet management or packaging, a new layer for Macola, something beyond bins or lots, where we can actually track a package in the warehouse with everything in it. We're going to look at manufacturing either for POP or shop floor. And then we're going to do a little shipping with the WiSys applications. So let's go ahead and get started.